Here we are, shooter 1721 today, and we're going to be shooting a Crosman silhouette PCP. As you can see, this is a free floating barrel. This is a very accurate gun. We got a can about 40 yards away downfield, and we're going to take a shot at it and see how we do. Nice. Hey, here we go with the Crosman silhouette. We're trying to absolutely just shoot the clubs out of this card, and we're trying to do it from 10 yards. So that's the first shot right there. All right. Well, this was our next shot there. So we're getting closer and closer. Now it's Ryan's turn. Well, we are truly impressed with this. You know, here at shooter 1721 Crosman silhouette pistol at 10 yards, just shooting it offhand, being able to be that close on the card, and seeing how close we got to the center. And that's 3 different shooters and still easily pegging the card.